Alright guys, this is Mysterious Granny. I know it's like 3 days later after I posted the riddle. So I'm going to give you the answer to the train riddle. First, I want to thank everybody that took a guess. I really appreciate it. They were pretty good guesses too. So and I apologize again that it took me 3 days to upload the answer to the riddle. The riddle goes, if an electric train is traveling 60 miles per hour and going against the wind, which way will the train smoke drift? Do you think you got it right? I think maybe some people did. And some people didn't. Oh, I forgot to show you Toby and May May. There's Toby, itching. There's May May. Tobe. Well, anyways, I'll read it again. If an electric train is traveling 60 miles per hour and going against the wind, which way will the smoke drift? The answer is, there is no smoke from an electric train. Once again, thank you for taking guesses. Thank you for watching the video. I greatly appreciate it. So the ones that got it right, I give a shout out to MASSHOLE Grower, Painting with Squirrels, and Tropical Buzz. Those are the 3 that got it right. Congratulations, guys. Way to use your brain. That common sense riddle. So, stop. There's Tobe. May over sleeping. Toby gonna whine. And Mysterious Granny. Welcome to our world, friends. Peace out.